more duo entries this year because it's something we've been talking about doing for a while, just for fun. And it was awesome to be able to collaborate and really flow, come together as one.
Yeah, and we're really excited to meet the rest of the Hoop Troop and hopefully have the same fun, collaborative experience and just bounce ideas off each other and learn even more moves as duos. And plus, we're really excited to come to Electric Forest just generally. It's such a great community of people, great community of hoopers, and I mean, we're just really excited. So, thanks for watching our video.
Yeah.
Just a moment to breathe, just a moment to say more clearly. I need just a moment to breathe, just a moment to breathe, just a moment.